Rockbridge Nature Preserve. We didn't even know it was here.
There's only two brown ones.
Is there?
Yeah. That one's like a baby or something. You see that?
Yeah, it is. I bet it is.
And that one's a baby too. There's a lot of babies. But there's more.
That little one's hard to see up there.
But they're actually... I bet they could bump you right now. Right in the stomach because their heads... It's like a bowl.
The cattle are all walking along. Follow the leader.
Yeah.
A little one staying back there all by himself. Look at him.
This is McDonald's hamburger, guys.
Okay, go ahead.
Meat.
Yeah, that is meat out there. That's how you get your hamburgers and your steak.
They do kill them. It's just they don't want people to kill them.
Right. You know, just, yeah.
Oh, is that poison ivy?
No, that's a vine. Oh, there's another little baby out there, Zayden. Look.
I know. It's like right there.
They were right beside each other. I didn't realize why he was standing there.
Oh, I didn't see that little one.
See the little baby one?
That's a little tiny one.
I don't know if I can. My camera's so dark. I don't know if I can get him or not. If I'm getting him or not.
Oh gosh, we should go. They're like all the way up there.
Okay.
No,
I was hoping I got that little baby one. He was little. Oh, I see him up there. Braden's up there rubbing his legs, making me itch.
Do not rumble this.
Okay.
Wait, this is it?
Yeah, that's that wobbly one, isn't it?
Dude, they should make a new one.
This is a really neat place.
Look, this is stupid. This is the ground. Now, if there was a tall bridge, it was just stable with a little tiny trees. And it broke. It broke. Like this right here, if they were stable. Is that great grandpa?
Great grandma. Flying around there, huh? I don't know where she went. She's flying there.
It's over there. Oh, there's mohawk? What is that? A scarecrow?
No, he has some kind of gas line or something.
Ew. Ew, it's like one of those things that you turn.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, that makes me
back to the gravel and the grass, finally.
That makes me scared.
Mile and 3/4 walk to a rock bridge. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Imagine if it was an ice bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.